Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you're here and thank you for clicking on today's video. I have a lot of fun stuff in this video. We're going to be doing some cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. I'm also going to be sharing a new product, Papaya paper towels that I have been using and loving. Without further ado, you guys, we're going to just go ahead and jump right in.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. Bet I'd be better without you inside.
So what I'm using here to wipe down my coffee table is the Papaya Reusable paper towels. These paper towels are amazing. They are delivered right to your door. You can use them on so many different surfaces and for everyday use, but also a deeper clean. They replace 17 rolls of disposable paper towels. They're all natural. They don't get that mildewy smell like your traditional dishcloths. You also can hang these on hooks. They do provide the hooks. So they do come in different prints, which is really nice because then you'll know which cloth is for which space. Like if you have one in your bathroom, you will use that one, or you have one by your kitchen sink, you can use a different print for that one. I went ahead and hooked them in the bathrooms in my home. So now in each bathroom, I can just use one of these reusable cloths and wipe down the mirrors if I want, and wipe down the sink just to get up all of those water spills that you get daily from just washing your face and brushing your teeth. So there's 3 ways that you can wash your paper towels. So for everyday regular use, a good old-fashioned hand wash with soap and water does the trick. For a deeper clean, you can throw them in the wash machine and air dry, or you can place them on the top rack of your dishwasher during a cycle. These paper towels usually last people around 2 to 3 months on an average wear and tear, but it can actually last up to 9 months depending on the use. So they are antibacterial. All you have to do is rinse them out in water and then hang dry them on the hook, and they are ready to go for your next use. I will have Papaya's link down below so you guys can check them out. This is a product I'm super excited for and to just have in my home to use for everyday cleaning and so many other uses. I'm going to also be using it throughout the video in different areas in my kitchen, so stay tuned for that.
It's time to be someone I want to recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move our way into the kitchen. I wanted to put this stuff away. These are some organizers that are gonna go in my husband's truck, which I'm gonna do a full clean and organize of his semi truck. So it'll be really fun. We're gonna put some lights in there and make it look really fun and organized. So right now I'm just going ahead and wiping down my kitchen table. I have a thing in my head when I am going to be decluttering and making a huge mess while I'm decluttering. I want everything else tidy and clean. So that's kind of what I'm doing here.
See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life.
And then I do have one of those papaya cloths right there hanging underneath my sink, and that is what I'm using to clean my dishes with.
Ignite. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
A couple of months ago, I decluttered some of the cabinets and drawers in my kitchen, but I didn't do them all. So we're going to do those ones that I didn't get to. I have put it off for a couple of months too long, but we're doing it today. So better late than never. I'm just taking everything out of this cabinet. This cabinet, we just keep the toaster, blender, some random things in there. And then now I'm just going to wipe it down, clean up any of the crumbs and dust and stuff like that. And then as we do this video, I am kind of figuring out where I want to organize everything. I didn't have a great game plan like I typically do. I had a lot of things that I don't use that often at all, and I wanted to make sure I put things that we use every day in a better place, and then the things that we hardly use somewhere else. So as I'm going, I'm also wiping down the outside of the cabinets and drawers, and then I kind of finish the rest at the end of the video. So this cabinet is where I usually keep my cleaning products. If you've seen any of my organizing videos, you know I've always kept my cleaning products in there, but recently I did my garage declutter and organize, and in that video I built some shelves and I organized most of my cleaning stuff in the garage, which I am loving it out there, but I still had a few things in here that I needed to move out and organize out there and then figure out what I wanted to do with this cabinet. So that is what we're doing right now.
When we look at our lives, 1 million years from now, we'll know we lit the world up just like that. And when we look at our lives, 1 million years from now, we'll know we lit the world up just like that. Just like that. La 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 la. Summer kiss, blue eyes, a mighty pretty sunrise. Mezcal margarita, my family wanna meet ya. Honey wanna let go, follow our libido, take it to new places, chasing all our wishes. I love you, lost enough to do the things to make us work. I love you, lost enough to do the things to make us work. And when we look at our
So this year I've already organized this cabinet, but you know you have to kind of keep up with these spaces or they will just go back to where they were, all messy and cluttered. So I'm just kind of going in there and fixing things up. I also decided to remove my air fryer just because I'm not using it as much as I usually do. So since it's not something I'm using all the time, I am going to store that somewhere else. And if I have to pull it out, I can do that. But right here is where I keep my pots and pans that I use daily.
Two glasses of Prosecco, the ocean is so warm, aching just to let go and fall into your arms. Fight against the warning, ignore my mama's words.
So what I decided to do is go ahead and put the appliances that I don't use on a regular basis, just mostly like holidays and special occasions, down in this cabinet. And then the cleaning cabinet is where I'm going to put the stuff that I use like almost every single day. Technically that air fryer there I do use pretty often, but I haven't really been using it as much as I used to. So I put everything that I'm currently using on a regular basis in that other cabinet. I will be sharing the before and afters towards the end of the video once we're done with the decluttering part of the video. So this is a space that every time I open up the cabinet, I get a rush of anxiety just because it was so cluttered and just disorganized. So what I thought I would do is just move the cups and glasses that we don't use on a regular basis over to the other cabinet. And so I move the water bottles because we have a lot of extra water bottles and things like that. But then I also move like our shot glasses and wine glasses and everything on that side. So just doing that so I can make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing and not so messy and cluttered.
Yeah, around me feel feel so heavy but depleted. But I find this the place to test myself. 'Cause it's here where I lay in my blanket of despair, where I'm weak but I'm strong, and black smoke fills the air. Where I'm burned and broken, battered, bruised, I'm blind, but I'm seeing. I'm lost and found and almost drowned. I'm so far from believing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken, but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing.
So here we have another junk drawer, and we are definitely making progress. I had quite a few junk drawers at the beginning of this year. We worked on a couple in my last video, and now we are getting to the others. I am really excited about that. So I've been talking with my daughter Ava, who is 6 years old, if you're new here, and we decided to make her a drawer that she can reach her dishes. So we are putting her plates and her bowls and her cups where she's able to reach them.
Where I'm weak, but I'm strong, and black smoke fills the air. Where I'm burned and broken, battered, bruised, I'm blind, but I'm seeing. I'm lost and found and almost drowned. I'm so far from believing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken, but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Are my lungs enough for the smoke and dust, or will I lose control? I'll breathe it in, let the darkness wind put pressure on my soul. I hear the sound, no longer bound to the man I was before. For my broken mind, this is the time to build to something more. Here, where I lay in my blanket of despair. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken, but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing.
So I started decluttering this space, and I thought I turned on the camera, but I didn't. It was on, it just wasn't recording. So that's why you guys are kind of here at this part, but you can see all of that stuff on the countertop was in this drawer. So it was super bad. And then I have my drawer next to it that is completely organized with organizers from the Home Edit. So I'm just moving some of that stuff in the organizers there to put them in their place.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. back and ride in your dreams while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your grave.
All right, you guys, so we are done with the decluttering and organizing today. I am super happy and feeling accomplished. Let me know if you decluttered and organized this space with me today. And now we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the aftermath. I have some stuff that was out from obviously decluttering that I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I cleaned up so it's not left there for hours or days.
Future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I knew one day would come back around. The future is now.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me.
You guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some cleaning, decluttering, and organizing motivation from it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button if you are new. Don't forget to check out Papaya. I am super happy with their product, and I know you will be too. Also, make sure that you comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
And I guess that